Hello, I am Vivek Bajpayee. Now I am going to start ICSC Maths Class 10. Exercise name is AP and GP. Find the sum of 1, 20 terms of the series are 2, 6, 18 and so on. A is equal to 2, R is equal to 6 by 2, it is 3. Then S 22 times R20 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1, it is 2 into 3 to the power 20 minus 1 upon 2. It is 3 to the power 20 minus 1. Next, 10 terms of the series 1 plus root 3 plus root 3 and so on. A is equal to 1, R is equal to root 3 and root 3. Then as 10, A, R n minus 1 upon R minus 1. 1 into root 3, 10 to the power 10 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. It is 3 root 5 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. It is 243 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. It is 242 into root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. 242 root 3 minus 1, so root 3 square minus 1. It is 121 into root 3 plus 1. Third number sum. It is 6 terms of the GP 1 minus 2 by 3, 4 by 9 and so on. And A1 R is equal to minus 2 by 3, S6 is equal to A R n minus 1 upon R minus 1. 1 minus 2 by 3 into whole 6 minus 1 upon R minus 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1. It is 64 upon 7 to 9 minus 1 is equal to 64 minus 7 to 9 upon 7 minus 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3. It is 665 upon 7 to 9, 5 by 9 is 6657 7 to 9, 133 upon 243, 133 upon 243. Next part, fourth number, 5 terms of n terms of the series 1, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus dash dash. A is equal to 1, R is equal to 2 by 3, S5 is equal to A R n minus 1 upon R minus 1. 1 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 3 whole 5 minus 1. It is R minus 1. It is 2 by 3 minus 1. It is 32 243 minus 1 upon minus 1 by 3. It is 211 upon 243 1 by 3, 20 211 upon 243 into 3 upon 81. It is 211 upon 81. Find the sum of the series 81 minus 27 plus 9. It is 1 upon 27. A is equal to 81. Then R is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. L is equal to minus 1 by 27. Sum A minus LR upon 1 minus R. It is 81 minus 1 minus 1 by 27 into minus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3. It is 81 minus 1 by 81. It is 6 1 minus 1 upon 81 upon 4 by 3 is equal to 6560 upon 81 whole 4 by 3. It is 6560 upon 81 into 3 by 4. It is 640 upon 27. Next sum. It is the nth term of a GP is 128 and the sum is n, then terms is 255 if the comma ratio is 2, and then find its first term. A R n minus 1 is equal to 128, A R n minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 7, R n minus 1 is 2 to the power 7, A is equal to 1 and n is equal to 8. 4.1. How many terms of the GP 3 square 3 cube are needed to give the sum 120? Then solution. A is equal to 3, R is equal to 3, Sn is equal to 9, A 1 minus 3 to the power n upon 1 minus 3. 120 is equal to 3 into 1 minus 3 to the power n upon 1 minus 3. It is 120 is equal to 3 1 minus 3 to the power n upon minus 2. 240 upon 3 is 81 minus 3 to the power n minus 80 minus 1 is equal to 3 to the power n. 81 is equal to 3 to the power n. 3 to the power 4 is equal to 3 to the power n is equal to 4. How many terms of the GP? 1, 4, 16 must be taken to have their sum equal to 341. And then A is equal to 1, R is equal to 4, Sn is equal to E, R n minus 1 upon R minus 1. It is 341 is equal to 1, and A to the power, R to the power n, 4 to the power n minus 1 upon 4 minus 1, which is 341 minus 4 to the power n minus 1 upon 3. 341 into 3 is equal to 4 to the power n minus 1, which is 1023 plus 1 is equal to 4 to the power n. It is 1024 is equal to 8 to the power n. 4 to the power 5 is equal to 4 to the power n is equal to 5. Next sum. 5 number, how many terms of the series? 2 by 9 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 uh, will make the sum 55 by 72. A is equal to 2 by 9, r is equal to minus 3 by 2, Sn is equal to a, Rn minus 1 upon r minus 1, 55 upon 72 is 2 upon 9 minus 1 2 upon 9 whole to the power 3 upon 2 whole to the power, then minus 3 by 2 minus 1, which is 55 by 72, 2 by 9, 1 minus 3 by 2 whole n minus 1, which is minus 5 by 2, 55 by 72 is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 5 minus 3 by 2n minus 1, which is 55 by 8 into 5 by 4 is equal to minus 1 plus minus 3 by 2 whole n. 243 upon 32 is equal to minus 3 by 2 whole n, minus 3 by 2 and 5 is equal to minus 3 by 2 n is equal to 5. 6 number sum, it is the second and the fifth term of the GP are minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by n 1 by 16 respectively. Find the sum of the series up to 8 terms. AR is equal to minus 1 by 2 and AR4 is equal to 1 by 16, then R cube is equal to minus 1 by 8 is equal to R is equal to 1 by 2 and S8 is equal to 1 1 minus 1 by 2 whole 8 upon 1 plus 1 by 2, it is 1 minus 1 by 56 upon 3 by 2, it is 256 255 upon 256 whole upon 3 by 2, 255 upon 256 into 2 by 3, it is 85 by 128. Thank you. The first term of the GP is 27 and the 8th term is 1 by 81. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. Solution: A is equal to 27, AR7 is equal to 1 upon 87, 27 R cube is equal to 1 upon 81, R to the power 7 is equal to this one. Then R is equal to 1 by 3, then S10 is equal to A1 minus R upon 4, A minus R whole to A minus R to the power whole n, 1 minus 1 by 3, 27, 1 minus 1 by 3 whole 10, 2 by 3, 81 upon 2, 1 minus 1 by 3 whole 10. Then 8 number sum, find the first term of the GP whose common ratio is 3, last term is 486 and the sum of the whose term is 728. A is to be found and R is equal to 3, L is equal to 486, L is equal to A, R n minus 1, 486 is equal to A to power n minus 1, 2 into 3 to power 5 is equal to A, 3 n minus 1, A is equal to 2, n is equal to 6. 9 number sum, find in a GP the first term is 7 and the last term is 488 and it is 888, the sum is 489. Find the common ratio. A is equal to 7, L is equal to 448, Sn is equal to 889 upon R is equal to, then Sn is equal to Lr minus 1 upon 1 minus R minus 1, then 889 448 L R minus 7 upon R minus 1, 889 R minus 1 is equal to 448 R minus 889 R minus 889 is equal to 448 R minus 1, 889 R minus 448 R, 889 minus 7 R is equal to 2. Find the third term of a GP whose common ratio is 3 and the sum of the first 7 terms is 2186. Then 8 term 2186 is equal to 8, 3 to the power 7 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. 2186 is equal to 8, 2187 minus 1 upon 2. 2186 into 2 is equal to A into 2186. Then A is equal to 2. If the first term, last question, if the first term of a GP is 5 and the sum of the first 3 terms of it is 31 by 5, then find the common ratio. AR or AR square are added and it is 31 by 5. 5 plus 5R plus 5R square is equal to 31 by 5. 25 plus 25R plus 25 r is equal to 31, then 25 r square plus 25 r minus 6, this is 25 r square plus 3 r, it is 30 r, sorry, minus 5 r minus 6, then 5 r plus 6 minus 1, 5 r plus 6, 5 r plus 6, 5 r minus 1 is equal to 0, 5 r plus 6 is 5 r is equal to minus 6, s is equal to minus 6 upon 5, 5 r is equal to 1, 5 r is equal to 1, r is equal to 1 by 5. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, share and watch my channel. Please see.